What's up, guys? Omar here, broker and CEO of Alden Mortgage, BAM, and Ome Realty. So we're going to go ahead and talk about something that's called bank statement loans. Bank statement loans. What is this, and what do we go ahead and go through? So what a bank statement loan is this is just, it's super like. It's going to be a short video because it really doesn't take much time to talk about it. So within your bank statement loan, so typically what you have is you have like a 1099 miscellaneous, or you're self-employed or whatever it is. That's the first thing that we're going to go ahead and need to take a look at, okay? We just need to see that you have been in business for 2 years. That's it. Don't need nothing else. Let's not get crazy with it. Let's not get out of hand. 2 years is all we need to go ahead and see. Then we go into your bank statements. Now your bank statement is going to go ahead and look at your deposits, right? Now your deposits, we're going to go ahead and look at it. Now if you look at my other video, I'll go ahead and put the link here. This is like, mortgages for YouTubers, or mortgages for gig workers, or mortgages for anybody who gets paid, and you want to go ahead and get your bank statements. And let's just say, hypothetically, and I'm not saying that this is, that you're 1099 when you're looking at your Schedule C and you did all your profit and your P&L and your profit loss, and your line 31 says something completely different, and it's like not agreeable to what you actually have done. So we go through this loan. This is called a bank statement loan. Sometimes we need to see 12 months, sometimes we need to see 24 months. So what we do is we just take your bank statements, okay? Keep up, listen up, 12 months. We can go up to 24 depending on how off we are. Sometimes if, like, let's say you made like $30,000 one month and you made $2,000 the next month, we have to kind of see a little bit more. Maybe we even go to 36 months at, very rare scenarios that where we go that high, okay? But let's just say, for the sake of this video and the sake of argument, that this is gonna be 12-month bank statements, okay? So we just need to go ahead and see the last 12 months. What we do is we go ahead and take every single month. We take the total of monthly deposits that you have, and then we go ahead and calculate it into the expense ratio total, okay? I don't like doing that. You probably have a CPA. Your CPA will provide us with a letter. That letter will go ahead and let us know, hey, this is what my client's actual expenses are. I am a big believer on dealing with CPAs because I think that they know more than what we could possibly ever think. So your expense ratio might not be at 50%, but if you don't tell us, that's what we have to go by. But I typically always, as soon as I get your bank statements, as soon as I get your 2 years worth of being in business, whether it's your articles of incorporation, if it's whatever we end up with, your business licenses for the last 2 years, whatever it could be that shows that you are self-employed for the past 2 years. 1099s are usually really, it depends on how you structure your business and how you're doing business, but for the most part, let's just say we could use one of those things. So we need to see, A, we need to see that you've been in business for at least 2 years. B, we need at least a bare minimum of 12 months worth of bank statements that go and show. So if hypothetically, let's say you make $120,000 a year. Our $120,000 a year would be $10,000 a month on average. So you made like $12,000 this month, $8,000 the other month, blah, 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 blah. And you get the gist of it. And then we go ahead and say, okay, their mortgage payment could be $5,000 a month, because we have to take your expense ratio and account for that. This is also really good if you're trying to go ahead and rent, which I personally prefer the DSCR loans. That's my personal preference, but who am I? Whatever, I'm just a mortgage broker. That's all I am. But yeah, we will need those guys. A credit score. Your credit score, please, for the love of God, make sure your credit score is at least over a 700. Okay, because the lower you go, the more expensive anything in life gets. Even though I don't agree with this whole scoring system, I think the scoring system in a nutshell is just so stupid and it's just pointless, and I don't like the things that You want to watch about my credit score, how I made a jump, and I've been doing this for a better part of 2 decades. I honestly, for the life of me, can't even tell you how credit works anymore when it comes to utilization or it comes to like how many lines of credit you have. Honestly, what I used to do is I had 4 credit cards, and I used to just pay one credit card with another credit card with another credit card, and I just kept on doing that. So each time I would have balance on one card, but I would run it through 4, and I would make 2 payments. But if you want to go in detail, I'll put the link up here and you can go ahead and check that out too. But as far as the bank statement loans goes, 12 to 24 months. As far as your bank statement goes, we go ahead and average that out. We'll get a letter from your CPA that shows exactly what your expenses are, so we can get an exact expense ratio. I think, in my personal opinion, that is the best way to go to it. Don't let us go ahead and do an expense ratio on you, which will be at 50%. And then of course, your 2 years worth of your business. Now, some of you are probably like looking at this video like, oh my God, I can't believe that these loans actually still exist. They do. It's not a bad loan. There's no such thing as like, those the crazy high risk loans. These are loans that have been around for quite some time, and these are mainly for investors, and these are the loan products that we have for them. But if you did like the content, or if you do need a mortgage broker to go ahead and help you out, please, CEO of that company. I own both of these guys. I could go ahead and help you out. I could get you up to 50% commission rebate on your next purchase. So if you are looking to buy, post-closing, we could go ahead and hook you up on that. Now, that depends on the structure of the deal, but I mean, money's money, right? If you're getting money back, I could help you out with a lot of stuff. You can go ahead and, spit shine that new property like with the money I give you. Why not, right? And then if you need any lending, if you need this bank statement loan, you need a DSCR loan, any loan out there, let me know. We'll go ahead and help you out as much as we possibly can. Like, subscribe, comment, all that other good pajazz. Link in the description below. This is not a promise to lend. NMLS ID number 1486181. All the disclaimers are down there. This is not a promise to lend. And yeah. Thank you for watching. Till next video, guys. I hope this helped you out. I am tired. So you're a freelance makeup artist. Well, I'm gonna tell you how you get a mortgage. So you're a freelance mortgage.